So here we have the Vauxhall Astra Estate on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in the middle at the top, and beneath that, a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change information that's displayed there using controls on the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control. We also have speed limiter as well. Over on the right hand side, we have our phone and stereo controls, and then in the center is the main stereo screen itself. And this is where you can access your AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio. You can only use Bluetooth audio once you pair the phone up to the car, which is done by searching device and then following the instructions on screen from there. You can also project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto this screen via USB. And in the middle, we have satellite navigation. Main volume for the stereo is on that dial. Below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, fan speed, and the direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. We have some storage beneath that. We can turn off the stop and start and the traction control for the car. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and then 2 cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.